Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit since I posted. I have a couple stump grinding videos that I have filmed and everything like that. I just haven't edited them yet, so hopefully I can get those up soon. A little bit of a different video today. Normally I don't climb trees. I'm not really a climber, although I do have equipment, so I'm definitely a beginner at doing this. And this is a tree that's at our cottage, and if you can see, there's a hydro line. And if that tree were to fall, it would be very, very close to hitting that line. So what I'm doing is just going up, taking off about 10 feet of it, cutting it up for firewood, and just leave the standing peg to take down at another time. So anyways, hope you enjoy the video, and I will definitely get some more stump grinding videos out pretty soon. Alright, thanks for watching.
Okay, forgot I had the mic going here. Okay, gonna go up and just take the top off this. Okay, take it easy.
This tree here has been dead for about 4 or 5 years at least, and there's a lot of loose bark on there, and I'm up by myself, so I just want to take it easy and be safe.
Okay, so maybe go up a little bit higher, make the notch. It's quite a lean. I don't know if I want to go on the back of this thing now. It's going to be pretty awkward, I think. Let's see. Put the second lanyard on.
What I was just talking about there is that there's quite a lean on the tree, and in order to make the your standard notch cut to top that piece, I'd have to go around the back or kind of on the side, and to me it just felt kind of awkward. So in this case, I just chose to just cut it straight through, and with that amount of lean, it was going to fall right in the direction I wanted. So I just basically decided I'm not going to mess around and try to crawl around the side or the back and gaff out or something like that, because this still is one of my first few times being in a tree with that type of equipment and stuff. So I just decided to cut it normally for this time, and do it differently maybe the next time. And here I'm just putting on I'm kind of wrapping around my second lanyard twice, just as a secondary safety thing, because even though I'm not up that high, I'm probably only up 15 feet, but even still.
I don't know. I think with this lean, maybe I'll just cut it.
And yeah, sorry for the heavy breathing. I know it sounds like I'm probably almost gonna have a heart attack there. I'm only up 15 feet, but it's just that it's a new microphone I'm using, and I clipped it like right underneath where my mouth is. So unfortunately, it kind of picks up a lot more breathing noises than I probably would have wanted. So I think next time I'll have to just put the microphone a bit further from my face. But hope you can bear with that. Thanks. So I'm just about ready to make the cut now, and yeah, I just decided I was just going to cut straight through and let the tree fall wherever it was going to fall. It was just too awkward for me to try to climb around the back of it this time, so I'm just going to cut it straight through, let it drop.
hollow in the center. All right, that was good. Now just cut this up a bit. All right, that's good. Got that done.